It is morning. Do you say Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, or Guten Abend? In this lesson, you'll learn the most important German greetings for real conversations. After the lesson, practice these greetings for free in the Lingua Lounge German Practice Hub. Link in the description below. Let's begin. Let's start with one of the most common German greetings. Hallo. Hello in English means hello. You can use it with friends, classmates, and many everyday situations. While hello is one of the most common German greetings, German speakers also use different greetings depending on the time of day. In the morning, you say Guten Morgen. During the day, you can say Guten Tag. And in the evening, people say Guten Abend. Now let's learn some common German goodbyes. Tschüss is an informal goodbye. You can use it with friends and family. Auf Wiedersehen is more formal. You can use it with strangers, workers, or in professional situations. Gute Nacht means good night. Germans usually say it before going to sleep or late in the evening. Remember, Guten Abend is a greeting, but Gute Nacht is usually a goodbye. Now let's listen to a short conversation in German. Can you understand what Leila and Jonas are saying?
Hallo Jonas.
Guten Morgen, Leila. Wie geht's?
Gut, danke. Und dir?
Auch gut.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Now let's listen again. This time with English subtitles.
Hallo Jonas.
Guten Morgen, Leila. Wie geht's?
Gut, danke. Und dir?
Auch gut.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Now it's your turn. Test your German with a quick quiz. Question 1. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. What do you say? Question 2. You're saying goodbye to your friend. What can you say? Question 3. Which greeting is more formal? Question 4. How do you ask, "How are you?" Great job! Now you know some of the most common German greetings and goodbyes. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to ask someone's name in German. Wie heißt du? Practice this lesson for free at Lingua Lounge German Practice Hub. The link is in the description below.